What's going to be inside? Oh, who's going to be? I don't know. We'll see. Here we have a box. Now let's open it. Wow! It's an ugly doll, and his name is Ox. What else is there? Oh, also you can build a house. You can collect all ugly doll figures. Oh, here's a pencil. Okay, now let's build a house for Ox. This is funny house. Do you like it? Now let's open the next surprise box. What's going to be inside? I don't know. We'll see. Here go instructions. And here's the box. Let's open it. Who's going to be? Oh, it's Babo. And a pencil. Yep, it is Babo. Let's keep a pencil. Wow! There's the house. Why is already built? What? I thought it was magic. It is magic. Now let's open another surprise box. Who's going to be inside? I don't know. Here's the surprise box. And here is all figures. Now let's open it. Who's gonna be? Wow! It's Ugly Dog. And a pencil. Now let's build a house. What? Is magic again? Now let's open another surprise box. It's going to be again. Let's open the box. Here we got instruction. And what's inside this box? Wow! It's Bat. This is Lucky Bat. And he have also a pencil. Now let's build a house. Wow! Now here's the bat house. Let's open another surprise box. The last one of today. Now let's open it. Here we go instruction in which ugly doll is inside. It's vase, also a pencil. Let's give her a pencil. Now let's build her house. There it is. Beautiful. It's nice and pretty. Okay, here's all my ugly dolls and houses. Do you like them? My favorite is Babo and Ox. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye! And if you like my video, give me thumbs up. And stay tuned for more unboxing videos of Happy Meal toys.